As you've probably seen, I have nearly reached 7,000 followers, and thanks to your support, we have got over 1,000 followers in the last week. So keep supporting and be loved with nature. Whoa! Here we go, here we go! Ah! Oh my lord! Ah! 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 Oh my word! Here we are! Here we are, people! Here we are! You can see my hair is absolutely destroyed, and that was not very good. And after that, it works. After that, an exciting journey and many things to accomplish in 2026. Thank you.